A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to English class. Students, today we will study Unit 3 lesson The Foolish Man. Let's get started. Here we go. So student, as you know, the story is about the King Akbar and Birbal. So King Akbar once gave Birbal a foolish task of finding 5 foolish men in the city of Agra. Birbal finds 3 foolish men in the city of Agra. First foolish man was lying in the puddle of rainwater. Puddle means the pool of dirty rainwater. Now problem, how he is foolish? He has stretched his arms upward and he was not bringing down his arms because he believed that if he brings his arms down, then he will lose the measurement of the cloth of his wife. Second foolish man is carrying the weight of the bundle on his head and he believes if he keeps this bundle on the back of the horse, then this horse, as the horse is old and weak, will die due to extra weight. So he is foolish because he is already having the weight on his head. So how means a horse can die if he keeps on his back, weight will remain equal. So he is foolish. Then third foolish man, he had lost his diamond ring in the darkness and he was finding for that in the light, in the street light. But at some other place he lost his ring and he was finding for that in the street light. So these 3 people he finds in the city of Agra. But Akbar had assigned him to find 5 foolish men. We will discuss this ahead. First word meanings, foolish. First word is foolish. Foolish means silly or stupid. Emperor means king. Puddle means a small pool of muddy water. It could be rainwater. Stretch, in the lesson it is rainwater. Stretched, expanded. Spot means a particular place. Straw means hay. Dried stem of grain. Hay or dried stem or stalk of grain. Search for, look for. Wanders means roam, to move aimlessly. The next, fellow means person. Task means work. Just means evaluate. Certainly, surely. Carried out, accomplished. Birbal carries out the king's orders foolishly. Afterwards, key points of the lesson. Here I will discuss about the 3 foolish men again. The main characters, students, key points or memory frames is the most important thing. I would suggest you to always write key points or make memory frame on your notebook. By doing so, you can learn any lesson or it will remain on the fingertips for long time. Now, main characters, King Akbar, Birbal and 3 foolish men. Men, men plural. 3 people are there, so you will use men. Story is about finding 5 foolish men in the Agra city. First foolish man, as I told you by pictures, summary as we have discussed, in that you have seen that first foolish man was lying in a puddle with arms stretched and he was believing that if he brings his arms down, he will lose the measurement of his wife's cloth. Second foolish man, a man was riding the horse with bundle of the straw on his head and he was believing that if he keeps the same weight on the horse, then horse will die with extra weight. Third foolish man, he had lost his diamond ring somewhere in the darkness and he was finding for the ring in the street light. Then rest 2 foolish men because Akbar had given the task of finding 5 foolish men. And Birbal, you know, you must have heard a lot about Birbal, that he was very true to his words. means whatever he would say, he would do that. So he was the man of words. This vocabulary we can use for him. He was the man of words. He would always keep his words. So now rest two foolish men. Who they are? King Akbar and his minister Birbal. On the basis of your reading of the story, complete the following. Now students, this work you are to do on your book. Once Emperor Akbar asked Birbal to find out the 5 most foolish men in Agra. Birbal agreed to do so and went out in search of the 5 most foolish men in the street of Agra. When Birbal asked the first man why he was not using his hands, the man answered that he will lose the measurement of the length of cloth that his wife wants. On the way he met another foolish man, who was carrying a bundle of straws on his head while riding a horse, and he believes that if he keeps the same bundle of the straws on the back of the horse, same horse he was riding on that, so then that horse will die due to extra weight. Then he asked him why he was carrying straw on his head. The second man answered that the horse might die of extra weight, as the horse is old and weak. The third foolish man was searching for his diamond ring, which he had lost somewhere in the darkness under the street light. According to Birbal, the last two most foolish men in Agra were King Akbar and he himself. Birbal calls Akbar and himself foolish because Akbar had set means given. Akbar had given a foolish task and Birbal had to follow his orders foolishly. So this is the next. Next is extract. So first of all we will match the word meanings. Under column A below, you will find some words from the play, and under column B, their meanings. Match the meanings and the words. I have corrected. Directly, you can check and give the numberings accordingly on the book. Puddle means a small pool of water, especially rainwater. Bundle means a collection of things tied together. Spot means a particular place or area. Certainly means without any doubt. Measurement or measurement means length and width, etc. found by measuring. Then next, read the extract and answer the questions given below. Birbal, what are you searching for? Third man, I have lost my diamond ring somewhere. It is ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Somewhere out there in the darkness, pointing to the dark spot far away from where he is standing. Now means the diamond ring he had lost. The place was far away, and still he was finding for the same ring at some other place, that too under the street light. Since I could not see over there, I am looking for my ring here in the light. So this extract is already given on your book. Question answers you will solve. What was the third man looking for? Third foolish man we are talking about, remember. The third man was looking for his lost diamond ring. Students, you are to do this work on your notebooks. These are the questions. This is your today's homework. After watching video, you are to write these 3 questions on your notebook. And you can write these word meanings as well on your notebook. This will be your homework, but watch the video properly before writing. Then question answers. From these lines you will find the answers. What was third man looking for? The third man was looking for his lost diamond ring. He had lost his diamond ring and he was searching for his lost diamond ring. Where had he lost the ring? He had lost his diamond ring somewhere in the darkness. How do you know that he is foolish? He is foolish because he had lost his diamond ring somewhere in the darkness. What he was searching for it under a street light. So that's why he was foolish. So this is all. Thank you. Have a nice day.